Okay guys, today we're going to be replacing our air cabin filter. I'm just about to hit 60,000 miles and it's been a year since I put a new one in. These are carbon activated, so they need to be changed once a year. So what we're going to do is just change this out real quick. It's super easy, super simple, way cheaper than doing it at the dealership. So we'll go ahead and show you how to remove it from your 4Runner, and then we'll take a look at the new one and reinstall it. So just pull these two clips, one on each side here, the cover, and then you see the airflow down. This is the right way. I've kind of got big fingers, so I'm going to use pliers to pull this out, and then we'll take a look inside, and it's got debris and dust and all kinds of stuff. So it's time for a change. So the new one, still sealed. And we'll go ahead and put that in the same way. It just kind of clicks into place. Replace the cover. And then the back plate. And that's it. If you guys want to get these carbon filters online, we'll link down in the description what we got off of Amazon. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe and leave us a comment. Thank you.